Oh, this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In these, when I'm going to show you how you can do a hard factory reset to your Honor Magic 7 Lite version of cellular phone. Could be any other version of Honor phone, process will be the similar. Here you see this option is setting, go inside. You have to check where it is. In setting, you have to type here reset. Backup and restore, reset all settings. See here, reset system and update. Click this one, reset all setting, reset network phone, reset phone. So the last version, it will do a hard factory reset. This will delete all your data from your device, including account, app, music, photo, whatever, WhatsApp, Gmail account, Meet Me, whatever account you have. Hit this reset button before doing that. Do a backup of your phone, photo, video, whatever you have. This is gonna delete everything. If you have Google Cloud, Apple Cloud, whatever, backup there. Hit reset phone one more time. Erasing now. Perfect. Magic OS factory reset, low level, 8%. Let's see. Reset successful, all is done. Now it will wake up and you have to do a setup for the first time. If you don't know how to do that, check the video description to do a new setup on your Honor Magic 7 Lite version of cellular phone. Let's see. You see optimizing up 3%, 4%. So it will take a little bit time. Let's see. Magic OS. Done. Now you have to set up your phone as you have done for the first time. So this is the way you can do a hard factory reset to your Honor Magic 7 Lite version of cellular phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.